Conseguir trabajo. Conseguir trabajo. This is a good one. And it's also a phrase that will help you say something very specific. This means to get a job. When you get a job, you can use this phrase to let others know, or if you need to get a job, you can use this phrase as well, or someone else might be saying that they got a job. So this is a phrase that you might hear. Let's look at some examples. But before, let me tell you that conseguir, we've been talking about this verb. And the main meaning of this verb is to get or also to obtain. And trabajo can mean work and also job. So now you know the literal translation, but as a term, conseguir trabajo means to get a job. Okay? So let's look at some examples using this phrase. Finalmente, conseguí trabajo cerca de mi casa. Finalmente conseguí trabajo cerca de mi casa. This means I finally got a job near my home. This is ideal. So let's break this down. Let's see how conseguir trabajo works in this sentence. Finalmente, this is a long word. Finalmente. This means finally. Finalmente. Yo conseguí trabajo. We don't have to say yo. We can just say conseguí trabajo, and that means I got a job. Okay? Cerca means near. It can mean a few other things. It can mean a few other things. Cerca is a really good and common Spanish word, but essentially it means near, or it can mean close to a place, for example, or nearby. So we're talking about distances, and essentially you're saying, something is close, near, or nearby. You can use cerca by itself, but also cerca can work with de. Cerca de. That phrase, cerca de, is just to provide more information when you want to say that something is near a place, but you're going to add a place, right? So this job that someone got is near a place. So you can say cerca de, and that still means near, but you're adding more information, of course. Mi means my, and then we also have casa. Casa means home. Cerca de mi casa. Cerca de la tienda. Cerca de el edificio. So cerca de is a really great phrase that just helps you add more information. Near, ... but you are including a place. You're adding more information. Okay, so the phrase we are learning is right here, starts here, and then continues here. Trabajo, conseguí trabajo, I got a job. Now let's move on and let's look at the next example. Pude conseguir trabajo como gerente. Pude conseguir trabajo como gerente. This means I was able to get a job as a manager. So now we are talking about the job. We are talking what is the thing you're gonna do, what's the position, right? So we know more about the job. So let's break this down. Let's see how the sentence works. Pude, yo pude. We don't need yo. Pude means I was able to do something. So just one word, pude, means all of that. Pude means I was able to do something. What's that something? Conseguir trabajo. Conseguir trabajo. And that means, that's the phrase we're learning, get a job. Como, when you add como, that in this situation means as a manager, as a nurse, as a doctor, as any other profession. But conseguir trabajo como, including como, means to get a job as a something. I know that usually a means un or una obviously in Spanish, but when talking about to get a job or when talking about professions or occupations, you usually don't need to say una, okay? So in this situation, you just say the profession or the occupation, and that's it. We don't have una, we don't have it here, and that's correct. You don't have to have it there. Remember, English and Spanish are two different languages, and obviously they work in a different way. So you can just say conseguir trabajo como and then the profession or occupation. In this situation, we have gerente. Gerente means manager. Something interesting to know is that you can say manager in Spanish, and that term is also understood in Spanish, manager. Okay? But if you want to know the Spanish term, the term is gerente. Gerente. Pude conseguir trabajo como gerente. I was able to get a job as a manager. Obviously, you can change this profession. You can also say, for example, maestro. Pude conseguir trabajo como maestro. I was able to get a job as a teacher. Okay, so essentially, you just change here the occupation or the profession. Excellent. Excellent. Do you have any questions? If so, please leave them in the comment section down below. Also, please share some examples using this phrase, conseguir trabajo.